booty band should be about 2 inches above the knee joint. All right?
Okay.
So that's 2 inches above the knee joint. Checklist. Your core is engaged, your pelvis is in, so you're going to see that it's in a bent position in your hips. It's not a squat, it's a bent position in your hips. Now, at this point, that distance cannot be closed. It has to remain open.
Okay.
So about hip width, okay? And then I want you to give me, while you maintain that hip distance, the foot distance, very gently activating and using this side of the muscle. Do you feel me? So that's the muscle that you're going to use, okay? Correct. Keep going. See, oftentimes I find that when you do that exercise, people end up doing this. Big no-no. So keep those knees, feet, and hip aligned in one direction, okay?
Okay.
And we're going to do about 8 of these. So one lap is back and forth from your living room and all the way back to the screen, okay?
All right. I've done 1 lap. This is 2.
Okay. Now if 8 lap is too much, we're just going to go for 6.
Okay.
So you're just coming back. And what I want you to tell me is, do you feel a muscular tension in here?
Yeah, I feel